What's the meaning of blankly? Blankly. Blankly.
Blankly. Blankly. Blankly refers to a state of staring or gazing with little or no expression, thought, or emotion. When someone looks blankly, they appear to be looking into nothingness, as if their mind is elsewhere. The term can also imply a lack of comprehension or understanding, indicating that the person is not fully processing the information being presented to them. This could be due to tiredness, shock, trauma, or simply a lack of interest in the subject matter. Overall, blankly is a word that describes a passive and disengaged state of mind, often associated with boredom, apathy, or confusion.